this is the worst or the medical corruption in modern times. Why? Sabi na, because you expect corrupt people from the usual traditional agencies na binabanggit ko.
Yung normal na akala mong corrupt, parang ganon.
Oo,
pero pag doktor na mismo, yan ang mahirap.
Noble ka. Sabi ko, lest we forget that the national hero is a doctor. Nagpakamatay sa bayan, mayaman, matalino, erudite, bumalik sa bansa, nakipaglaban sa Kastila, binaril sa Luneta. Bihira ka makakita ng ganun ngayon eh. So what I'm saying sa kanila, worse ito. Because doctors can think, doctors are supposed to heal, they are the noblest of the profession. Perhaps priesthood will another be an occupation na sasabihin nating talagang tutulong. No other profession.
Kasi life po, buhay ang hawak niyan eh.